Okay, this is the TM1P. I'm not going to get into the technical details because I'm sure you're already familiar. It does have the next gen control. I'm going to go through the movement of the axes. You can see we have the spindle, probe, and then the tool setter. With this, I'm going to go ahead and x-axis. I'm going to do y-axis. And here's your Z. So the machine's very clean, it's been lightly used. You do have the umbrella 10 tool changer. Just to show, it is able to be wired for 3-phase or single phase. It's currently 240 single phase. If you have any other questions, I'd be happy to answer. Just send me a message.